Kia ora, ko Sharon Holt tōku ingoa. I hope you are finding it easy to use the Patreon site and get around the different places that you want to go to using the tags for pronunciation or phrases or sentence structures or games or lots of the other things about Te Reo sing-along books. There's lots of different categories, and today I'm adding a couple of phrases that can be used separately or together. So tai hoa, you might have heard of that before. I think my father might have used to have said something like this, and he said tai ho, which he was meaning wait, but it's a Māori word with an A at the end, so it's tai hoa. Tai hoa, wait. So if you've heard people say that before, then you probably don't need to even say the translation with it. You can just say tai hoa and put your hand out like that. Tai hoa, and that means wait. And then kaore e roa. Kaore e roa. And that means not long. And it's kind of like, as we would say in English, wait, I won't be long, or hold on, I'm nearly there, that kind of thing. Tai hoa, you can just say by itself, or add tai hoa, kaore e roa, and I think that's a really good way to add a simple phrase to your kete. And remember that if you're adding a phrase, don't be trying to add too many at once. One at a time, and embed that phrase until it's becoming automatic for you. Ka kite.